In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Reels history on Facebook. If you've ever watched a Reel and later wanted to revisit it, knowing how to find your history can be quite handy. Let's dive into the steps to access this feature on Facebook. First, make sure you open your Facebook app or log into Facebook on your computer. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with various options related to your account settings. In this menu, look for the option that says Settings and Privacy. It's usually listed towards the bottom, so you might need to scroll a little to find it. Once you see it, click on it. This will expand into a few more options that give you control over different aspects of your Facebook account. Now, within the expanded menu, you'll want to click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where you can see all your interactions on Facebook, including videos you've watched. It's a handy feature for tracking your activity and making sure you have access to your viewing history. After selecting Activity Log, you're going to look for an entry titled Videos You've Watched. Click on this and it will show you a list of all the videos you've watched recently. But we want to narrow it down to Reels specifically, so there's one more step. In the Videos You've Watched section, look for an option or tab labeled Reels. Clicking on Reels will filter out all the other videos, leaving you with only the Reels you've watched. This is your Reels history, and you can scroll through it to find any specific Reel you were hoping to revisit. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access your Reels history on Facebook. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, and it can be quite useful for finding those memorable Reels you enjoyed watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media platforms. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling through your Reels history.